औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो टॉपिक है क्लास 11th के लिए है स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन। ये जो लाइन है, अगर हम एक एक्स एक्सिस यहाँ पे लेंगे, एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस, एक लाइन लेंगे, स्ट्रेट लाइन ऐसे। If this line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, positive direction means this: if theta is the angle made by this line with the positive direction of the x-axis and theta is measured anti-clockwise as we usually measure it, theta को measure किया जाता है ऐसे anti-clockwise, then this is called the inclination. Here theta is called the inclination. Inclination means the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Yus the line बनाए positive direction of the x-axis से बनाए इसका angle, इस angle को हम inclination कहते हैं. And if we take tan of this angle, if we take then tan theta, tan of this inclination is called, tan theta is called the slope of the line. This is called the slope of the line, and it is denoted by, M. It is denoted by M. गोया slope हम कहते हैं if the inclination, if theta is the inclination of a line. Inclination means which the angle which this line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. If theta is the inclination, then tan of this angle, tan theta is called the slope, या slope को हम बोलते हैं gradient of the line L. For example, अगर किसी line की inclination है 90 degree, if this is the x-axis, if a line makes an angle 90 with this x-axis, then its slope will be equal to tan 90. Its slope will be equal to tan 90, which is not defined. We can say that the slope of a line whose inclination is 90 is not defined. The slope of a line whose inclination is 90 is not defined. Here we can say the slope of y-axis is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined because y-axis, the inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. Therefore, the slope will be tan 90, which is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined, and slope of x-axis is 0. बिकॉज एक्स एक्सिस जो है, जो एक्स एक्सिस के साथ एंगल 0 बनाता है, तो इसका जो स्लोप होगा वो होगा tan 0, which will be equal to 0. Go, you have to remember that slope of x axis is 0 and slope of y axis is not defined. अब हम यहाँ पे एक और चीज प्रूव करेंगे, स्लोप ऑफ अ लाइन joining two points P and Q. स्लोप ऑफ अ लाइन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे एक फिगर में बनाऊंगा. If this is x axis, if this is y axis, if this is the angle P x1 y1, Q x2 y2, तो यहाँ पे M है. From the figure you can say, if this is the line which makes angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, then the slope of this line will be equal to theta. Here slope of a line, say if it's line L, slope of line L is equal to tan theta. It will be equal to tan theta. Also, in triangle PMQ, in triangle PMQ, we know that this distance is x1, this distance is y1. Therefore, here it is y1. तो ये जो है QM, this will be equal to y2 minus y1, ये distance. तो ये वाली जो है this distance, this will be equal, यानी PM, this will be equal, ये सारा ये x2 होगा minus यहाँ तक x1. Now this theta will be equal to this theta because they are corresponding angles. Now in triangle PMQ, tan theta will be equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is y2 minus y1 divided by base है x2 minus x1. लेकिन slope of the line है tan theta. तो यहाँ पे slope of the line joining 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, slope of the line will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This will be equal to slope of a line. तो हमने यहाँ दो बातें पढ़ी. If the inclination is given, then the slope is given by tan of that angle, tan theta. If the join of the 2 points is given, if join of the 2 points is given x1 y1 and x2 y2, then we can find the slope of the point of a line by this formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.